Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Virus. I am Subham Kesri. In this session, we will see statement in C#. Statements are instructions written in continuous steps to perform a task. The general structure for a program include statement is in following order. First, a program have declaration statement, then input statement, then processing statement, and then output statement. Now, we will see this all one by one. First one is declaration statement. Declaration statement is used to reserve memory space for object or variables. This statement works on variables. This statement may exist anywhere of the program but must be written before its use. The general syntax of declaration statement is data type and variable name, where data type may be int, char, float, etc. Variable name is an identifier. See here, here we are declaring a as a variable and the data type of a is int. Here also sum is a variable name and float is data type of this sum variable. Now see input statement. Input statement used to get the value from user through keyboard. Now see console.read or console.read line. This method is used to read a line from the keyboard and returns a string. We can store return string into an object of string data type with the help of assignment operator. Now see what is difference between console.read and console.read line. Console.read method reads just a single character, while console.read line reads all character until the end of line. Now see the syntax of input statement. Here string variable name equals to console.readline, where string is a data type, variable is an identifier, console is a class, and readline is a method. Here example is string name equals to console.readline. Okay. Now see processing statement. Processing statement is used to perform manipulation on data item such as variable and constant. The syntax of processing statement is variable equals to expression, where variable is a predefined variable, equals to is assignment operator, and expression may be a constant, a variable, an arithmetic expression, or any processing statement which returns a value with data type same as variable. Now see example. Here sum equals to a plus b. Here we are adding a and b and store it to sum. Now see output statement. Output statement is used to display the result and message on monitor. Now see console.write method or console.readline method. Sorry, console.writeline method. It is used as an output statement in C#. It displays data or content of variables on the screen. It is defined in a namespace using system. Now see what is difference between console.write and console.writeline. Console.write method displays the output but do not provide a new line character. But console.writeline method displays the output and also provide a new line character at the end of the string. This would set a new line for the next output. Now see the syntax of output statement. See here console.writeline and pass here string. Then our output is string. Here console.writeline and string, console.writeline string and variable. This plus sign is for concatenation. See here where console is a class, write and write line is method, plus operator is for concatenation. Okay, here see example console.writeline and pass here the text virus. Then our output is the text virus. Now see variable initialization in C#. We have two methods to initialize our variable in C#. First one is static initialization and second one is dynamic initialization. Static initialization. This uses direct assignment of a variable with defined constant. The variable is initialized during its declaration. For example, here we declare int a and initialize a to 1. Okay, now see dynamic initialization. When a variable gets initialized at runtime, that is during execution of program, is termed as dynamic initialization. See here, example int sum equals to a plus b, or float area equals to 3.14 into r into r. So friend, here we have saw statement in C Sharp and variable initialization in C Sharp. Friends, if you have any doubt related to this topic, then please knock me on comment section. Thank you.